Hi everyone, it is me, Plantain Charlene, and today's video is going to be about terrariums. I have a few variety of terrariums that I wanted to share with you guys, so I hope you like the video. So before I get into the terrariums, I wanted to share with you guys something that I learned about from watching Keisha Adinkra's video on Sips by Tease. Keisha, forgive me if I can't remember the name, but I'm going to put it here, so in the video you're going to find it. And I wanted to show you guys this beautiful packaging that it came in. I'm going to just show inside the packaging inside. It is so pretty. Keisha has showed this, I'm not sure if it's considered a cup or a mug, but it's glass, see-through. And when I saw it, I immediately asked her, what is that? I might have asked her more than once, and I finally got it. So it arrived, and I wanted to show you guys real quick. I will put the link for this excuse me, for this package or this product at the bottom of my video, below the video. You know what I mean. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys is a terrarium, a couple of terrariums that I purchased from a Australian-based business, or should I say a business based in Australia, that is called Botanica Boutique. And it's a little funny story, not funny stories, actually me not paying attention to oh boy, I think I just messed up my little terrarium. Hold on. I'll show you guys the first one. So here it is. So the thing about this is, when I originally purchased it, I thought that this was much bigger. That's on me. I did not pay attention to the measurements, or at least I didn't look for them. I just automatically assumed that this was one of the larger ones. The price was, I think, it's in the 20s, upper 20s. And I thought, oh my God, for that price, I'll definitely purchase it. Pay attention to when you when you shop. Don't be like me. They do have these little slots here. You can leave it open or you can close it. I had it closed, and that's probably why the condensation built up on here. But I've since opened it, and it's slowly but surely clearing up. But I am going to watch it because there is still a little bit right here. Here is the other jewel orchid, and you can see the condensation there that has built up inside. But I have since opened it to get that airflow going. And as you can see too, you can't put such a tall plant in here. So this one is pretty much at the top, almost at the top of the terrarium. Another reason why I would not have gotten one so small, because I would have said to myself, it gives such a limit on how long a plant can stay in here once it starts to grow. And I could cut it to get 2 plants too, but I want that new leaf to come out first before I do any cutting of this one to get another plant. So it was very easy. You pretty much stick your growing medium in this space here, in this one I think is silicone, and you put it in here. You add your plant. These terrariums both come with this little spray bottle so that you can easily just mist your sphagnum moss or whatever growing medium that you're using, so that your plant can stay moist as needed, and do what it do, baby. The packaging on the product is very cute too, because this, I think, is, it just kind of reminds me of like what perfume or cologne would come in. um, so oh, that didn't sound good. It has this little picture, sorry, that's upside down. It has a little picture of what the product looks like. It has some instructions on the back. You can also find these instructions in a video that they make for you, and it came in this little bag, so that's cool. Now I'm going to show you what I thought I was paying for as far as size goes. I need to pay better, ouch, damn it, I need to pay better attention when I do these things, because this is not the first, and you would think I would learn, but no, I haven't. Here is the size I thought I was purchasing those terrariums in. It came in this packaging. It has the what do you call this stuff here inside to protect the glass. This does not have a base, as you can see. I did not get the base. This was a factory, I don't know the right wording that they had on the site, I don't remember, but basically if there's any kind of, I guess, some kind of imperfections, they sell it at a cheaper price, and this was $15, and I thought, that's fine with me. I'll see what it looks like when it comes here, and I don't see it, but I guess those who would do this kind of work would see it. So you can use this way, or cover a plant this way with it. And you can see the size difference here. So they have different bottoms for this size as well as this size, and I figure I'm going to use it this way. I like this little piece in the center there. Can you see that? I thought it's so different. I don't know. I may use it. I purchased two. I may use one this way and one this way. So you get the opening on. If you want a terrarium that's open, you have it this way, so air can just consistently flow through. But if you want to cover, you know that the air would be kind of enclosed, and then you would have to just watch it to make sure, one, condensation is not building up, and two, that there's no kind of mold building up, which leads me to the next terrarium, where I am highly disappointed at how it looks right now. Don't judge me. So with this terrarium, aka my biOrb, I purchased this last year sometime, and I have rearranged this thing more than once. At one time when I purchased it, I saw snails in there, so that had to go. The plants that I had in there, some of them outgrew the biOrb, and I replaced some. I should have never taken them out, because I think all of them died after coming from the biOrb, so I should have left it in there. But now I had recently seen ants inside of it, and I was saying to myself, oh my God, is there a queen in there? I don't know where the ants came from. Apparently either the soil that I purchased or a plant that I purchased and put in there. Either way, doesn't matter. The ants were in there. I had purchased 3 what do you call those type of I almost said a bad word. They are carnivorous plants, and they're butterworts. I purchased them thinking that the ants would get stuck to them and they would eat, because the ants were really, really small. And then also I had fungus gnats in there, and these butterworts are meant to eat fungus gnats. And I had 3 different types of butterworts that I had purchased. So in the process, the butterworts died, and therefore they serve no purpose. The moss that they were sitting on is now dying as well. As you can see, if you look at this, you see that there's white mold all in here. So the story is, I saw the ants. I understand that coffee grinds are things that the ants don't like to cross over. They don't like it. So what did I do? I put coffee grinds all around the edge so that they would not crawl up the biOrb and get out, or whatever they were. And that molded. And that's where I then decided to sprinkle the cinnamon to kill the mold. None of that has worked. I just made one bad decision after another. So what I'm gonna have to do now is take everything out of this biOrb and start over. It will have to be the soil that I have killed whatever's in it, and not any of the soil that the plant came in. So there it is, guys. That's everything. I'm looking forward to seeing what I can do with this here. I'm probably gonna have to do some YouTubing, searching to see how I can work that out and make something really cute, because Houseplant Journal, he did a cute little biOrb. He did a cute terrarium with that setup, that is. So I'm hoping I can learn from him. All right, that's it. No more. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, click the bell to know when another video is coming out, and just try and be creative with your ideas for terrarium. I am not like conked out. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Okay, everything's failing. So thank you for watching my video. Again, I hope you comment, like, subscribe, click the bell to know when another video is coming out. And don't forget, guys, stay safe out there. Be healthy, be smart, keep planting.